Hi, I'm Steve Plum, Senior Editor of SM Media. I'm here today with Justin Ryan, Director, Chief Scientist for Rady Children's Hospital in San Diego.
Thank you, pleasure to be here.
So we're at RAPID TCT. I know you've been involved in some panels and various activities here. What's your impression of the show?
Oh, it's incredible. Yeah, being able to connect with like-minded people or even people who aren't like-minded that challenge your thoughts and your constructs that really give you the opportunity to grow. And of course, seeing all the new technology that has come in this year has been incredible. I work at a hospital, so I'm trying to figure out how to leverage new technologies, new processes to help our doctors and hopefully help our patients. So it's been a great opportunity here.
Well, that was my next question. How does additive manufacturing fit into your line of work?
Yeah, so what I do is I create what's called anatomical models. So we take patient-specific images, a CT scan, an MRI, we create 3D data set out of it, and then we'll 3D print it. And the purpose of that is to give our surgeons, give our interventionalists more information than ever before, so they can look at a child's heart, see the specific anatomy before they operate on it, look at a child's spine and correct the curvature before even meeting the patient sometimes.
So how quickly can this be done, and is it done on site?
Yeah, so Rady Children's Hospital, we've got 6 different 3D printers, and we're able to really scale pretty quickly. We can create a digital data set in a matter of an hour for some types of anatomy, and depending on how big it is or small it is, we can print it in a matter of hours. So there is opportunities to 3D print same day to help our patients.
Can you give examples of some of the things that you've printed?
Yeah, we've printed over 1,000 models at this point. Our lab has existed for about 5 years now in its current state. We've printed hearts, brains, skulls, soft tissue tumors, spines, airways, yeah, everything that we can image, we can print.
Now at RAPID, I know you had a number of new folks coming into it. Are you seeing that as a trend in the industry where a lot of new people are getting accustomed to it?
Yeah, so I started doing 3D printing in medicine about 2009, and there were very few of us doing that. Currently, I'm the vice chair of the Healthcare Additive Manufacturing Work Group within SME, and this past year, we're really focused on bringing new faces to speak here at RAPID. So it's been great to see new faces, communicate what they're working on, new research, new processes. But yeah, it's also great to see that we've finally achieved this workforce momentum. New people are learning about healthcare additive manufacturing technology, and that's just kind of snowballing into this bigger and bigger community and sharing more ideas.
So how important is it to get together with these like-minded people at events like RAPID?
Oh, it's critical. Yeah, because this is where we share all this information. 3D printing inside hospitals is still an emerging process, an emerging technology. While 3D printing has been available for decades now, it's still really on the precipice of gaining this critical mass to being an accepted medical procedure. So if we, from the hospital side, can come together, share ideas, share processes, that just helps bring everyone, lift everyone up.
Well, thank you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.